going to change. Okay. So good morning, everybody. 7:13. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Do we rip way higher? Do we rip and drop? Let me tell you, the NOW. Everybody's talking about this. Anybody that understands stuff. The NOW CEO is one of the most bullish guys in the world. He's taken a stock from $30 to $700, and he's the last one that trades at 100 PE. And now it looks like it finally broke. It finally broke, right? So very, very interesting. And he said, serious headwind. And that's what's happening, right? And now Google is laying off some people. Google's going to cut some people. You got Facebook laying off people. You got Adobe laying off people. You got Oracle looking to lay off thousands of people. Why do you do this? Well, there's two reasons. You can do it for two different reasons. There's another reason, is because you raise salaries so much, and you don't believe that you're getting the value there. Is now all you have to do is say layoff, and you can let all those people go, right? Not so good for housing and everything else. Okay, so just know what's going on. Okay, then we see. I don't know. What I know is if we die fast and 3750 breaks, this could be a day of ages on the downside. Upside, if they really like it and they buy it all day, they can take it up a long way. Okay, so you just got to be aware. Both ways. Okay, so SPX is up 12 at 12, 38.30, right back to 38.30. You got 38.72, 3900, 39.21. Okay, that's on the downside. Upside. Downside, 37.92, then 37.52. 37.30 is ridiculously hard. If it breaks, get out of the way. Okay, if it breaks, get out of the way. Okay, NVIDIA. 149, 138. Now, here's the thing with NVIDIA and chips and everything else. These are all bad. We know they're all bad, okay? But here's the thing. It came from 350. When it came from 350, it could have a 15 or 20 point down day. You're not going to get that anymore. You're going to get 5 points down or 3 points down. The rate of change will be lower. So you can't go buy puts at 140, at 130, at 120. It's too far away. You will get destroyed. Okay? Lam Research. You got 391, 372. Avago, 481. Now, Avago is one of the other ones that hasn't dropped. It is like NOW. It hasn't got destroyed. Okay? So just keep an eye on that. Okay? Keep an eye on that. Apple, very, very strong, continues to stay strong. 149, 151 if the market goes up. 149, 151. Downside 143, 141 if the market goes down. Pan W, told you, it got back up to 524, came right back down. This is now 11 times. Every time it gets to 520, 525, it goes to 500. Every single time. Boeing, first good day in forever and ever. They delivered more jets, but here's the thing. This is really interesting. So Boeing delivered more jets, but they deliver more jets out of the U.S. So they got to convert it to dollars, and the dollar is going to be a headwind for them. Isn't that interesting? But they didn't even think about that one. MDB, does it finally break? They don't do as much stuff overseas, but if it's a headwind, then you got way lower than we see. UNH will probably buy, UNH will probably buy some calls in this one because they want to get into these stocks, the healthcare as security. So going into earnings, I actually like the 530s. It ripped yesterday, then we see them. Not yesterday, last week. Then we see. Okay. Moderna needs 176, 181. BNTX is up a couple dollars today, and Moderna is not up. That implies that Moderna may go. So let's see. NOW 426. As the market dropped the last 20 points yesterday, NOW didn't drop anymore. Had a big down day, but it didn't drop anymore. So know that. Google, just ugly. It came from 2140, went to 2370, and it can't go up this week. Isn't that interesting? Tesla. This is all about Elon. This goes on and on and on and on, and then we see. Okay. MicroStrategy. This one's interesting. If the market takes off, let's say the number is bullish and the market rips 60, 70, 80, 100 points, watch MicroStrategy. It may pop because it may take Bitcoin with it. Okay. And that's what we know. Okay, comments, questions. Everybody understands nothing really happening right now, so that's what we know. Okay. So we'll post in the chat room when does this happen. I actually think the number is going to be hot. I don't know the reaction, but we may hedge a little bit and get buy some calls, and then we see. But here's the other thing: how many times has the SPX been up? I remember 3 times this year. SPX is up 50. It goes negative and drops 50, and 20 cents goes to $30. 20 cents goes to $30. Keep that in mind. Let's see what happens. Everybody have a great trade day. See you, chat.